Okay, guys. Let's hurry. Oh, hurry, because my husband gonna see. Okay, what I got here? Oh, this is your new lipstick, guys. The latest. Another lipstick. Chanel. Sample. And here, Givenchy. I think that's all. See, only this one. This is my main purchase. Oh, look at that. Miss me chick inside. Why not? What, hon? See, this is the latest one, guys. Oh, so cute. So sleek. The packaging, I like this color too. Ready for the spring. Spring vibes color. Oh my god. Look at that. So nice. Look at this. Easy to drop on my purse, guys. I don't know how to close now. What the heck? Okay. It's not magnetic. You have to press it to close it. Alright, so that's all. Bye.